Hello student, today I am going to explain chapter 12, that is parallel line of class 6. In this chapter, first of all I will give you some example of the parallel line. You can see a blackboard. You can say these two sides are parallel because these two sides are at same distance. They will never meet each other. Even these two sides are also parallel, we can say, because both are not meeting each other. Now you can take some more example like this door. In door also these opposite sides are parallel. Then in next ladder you can see so many small lines are there. These all are parallel to each other. Even this two line is also parallel to each other. Why? These all are at same distance and never meet each other. You can take example of railway line also. Now come to on definition of parallel lines. So two lines in a plane which do not meet even when produced indefinitely in either direction are known as parallel lines. Means if you produce indefinitely, then also it will be not meet each other and the distance between both will be remain always same. So we can say these two lines are parallel. So if L and M are two parallel lines, we write L parallel to M. This is a symbol of parallel line and read it as L is parallel to M. Clearly L is parallel to M. We have M is also parallel to L. Now distance between two parallel lines. The distance will be always remain same and it will be a perpendicular distance. So I have drawn a two perpendicular line AC and BD. If you measure with your scale, the distance will be remain same. It will be not change and both are perpendicular to each other. So we can say AC is equals to BD. So thus the perpendicular distance between L and M at the point A is the same as that at B. So this is called the distance between two parallel lines. Now parallel segments and parallel rays. Parallel segment means two segments are parallel if the corresponding lines determined by them are parallel. See here two line segment I have taken, that is AB and CD, and both are parallel to each other because the distance between both are same and equal. Now two rays are parallel if the corresponding lines determined them are parallel. See here two rays are here, OA and PQ. Both are not intersecting each other, so they are parallel. One segment and one ray are parallel if the corresponding lines determined by them are parallel. Means if both are parallel to each other, then we can say AB is parallel to CD. Now come to the next, that is how to test whether given lines are parallel or not. So for that we have to take two parallel lines, place a ruler on this parallel line like this. Then after measure the another line with the help of your set square. So now place a set square with one arm of the right angle coinciding with the edge of the ruler. Like this we can put in this way, right angle, and draw the line segment PQ along the edge of the set square as shown in the figure. So we will draw line PQ like this, it is drawn in the figure. Same we will draw in the next step. We will move the set square, then again we will draw RS, then after again move set square little bit more, and then again you mark it. You can see in all places the measurement will be 6, 6 and 6. It means throughout the parallel line the distance is remains same So we can say PQ is R equals to RS equals to LM, then AB is parallel to CD, otherwise AB is not parallel to CD. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you.